Today is a relaxing day for two close friends. They've decided to spend the whole day at this quiet little bookstore.
I just love the atmosphere here. It feels like an escape from the outside world.
Yeah, it's so peaceful and cozy, perfect for finding a good book.
Both of them are excited by the many books surrounding them, each hoping to find that one special story they haven't read yet.
This one looks interesting. It's a fantasy adventure.
Sounds intriguing. I think I'll look for something unique as well.
After choosing their books, the two friends decided to relax in the quiet reading corner of the bookstore.
I think this book is really interesting. The story seems so captivating.
Really? I found one I like too. It's about an adventure in a mysterious land.
That sounds fun. Sometimes I want to try reading something a bit different too.
Then this might be the perfect book for you. I think you'd enjoy it.
The two close friends chatted happily, surrounded by the warm ambiance of the bookstore. After finding books they liked, the two friends share their excitement about their choices.
Look at this. It's about a journey in self-discovery. I think it's exactly what I need right now.
That sounds interesting. I like books that help us learn something new about life too.
Maybe you should read it after me. I think you'd enjoy it as well.
Sure. Let me know when you're done, and we can talk about it.
The two friends chat happily, sharing their thoughts in the cozy, peaceful atmosphere of the bookstore. After exploring the shelves, they discuss which book to take home.
So, which one are you leaning toward? I'm torn between these two.
Let's see. That one looks like a classic, but this one might be a bit more exciting.
Good point. I guess it depends on my mood. Maybe I'll take both.
That sounds like a perfect solution. Better to have options, right?
With smiles and shared excitement, they continue their little adventure in the bookstore, happy with their choices. After finding the books they wanted, the two friends head toward the checkout counter with smiles.
I'm really excited to read this one. It's been on my list for ages.
Me too. I'm glad we decided to come here today.
It's such a cozy place. I could spend hours here just browsing.
Same here. All right, let's check these out and head to the cafe next door.
Perfect. A coffee and a good book sound like the best way to end the day.
With their new books in hand, they make their way to the counter, already looking forward to their next adventure together. With their new books in hand, they step outside, ready for the next chapter of their day.
I'm so happy we came here today. This book feels like it's going to be something special.
I agree. There's nothing quite like finding a good book to get lost in.
Absolutely. Now I just need a cozy spot and a warm drink.
How about that cafe down the street? We can settle in and start reading.
Perfect idea. A great book and a warm coffee. Sounds like the best way to end the day.
And with that, they head off, books and smiles in hand, ready to unwind and dive into their new stories.